Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Last Tuesday was Sensex expiry. The market was very volatile. In fact, the most volatile day. But today it was such a silent expiry. Market opened, gap up. That's because yesterday the US market hit all-time high. And then, as usual, some selling happened. Morning, the Nifty fell about more than 100 point intraday. And then quickly markets recovered. Then consistently traded above 23,200. So that is something positive. First, let us look at some positives. Number one, today Nifty recovered more than 100 points from intraday low and consistently traded near the high. That's one positive. Second positive thing is that today, for second straight day, the Nifty closed positive. After breaking 23,000 two times, for second straight day, Nifty closing positive. The third one, yesterday, though Nifty traded positive, closed positive, that was mainly because of HDFC Bank. Otherwise, the broader markets were bleeding yesterday. And today is the first time the broader markets recovered a lot. Mid cap, small cap, junior Nifty, they all went higher by more than 1%. And the fourth one is that, today in the morning, though VIX was higher, later the VIX started falling. So VIX started falling for second straight day. Earlier, everyday VIX used to continue to move higher. And then Hindustan Unilever. I already told you that stock is down already. So it's not likely to go down, further. But in the morning, it went nearly about 80-85 rupees. But then later, quickly recovered. It is down, but not out. And, most other FMCG stocks also continue to move higher. Right? So these are all the positive things. But what about the negative things? So definitely there will be some negatives. The number one big major concern, this FII selling. No matter what happens, they are keep on selling. And today is such a silent day, and still FIIs have sold for 5,500 crore. I think 5,500 crore. So selling 5,500 crore on a day like this, after selling continuously, and as of yesterday, they have already sold for about 60,000 crore. Today, adding another 5,000 crore. So 65,000 crore selling in just 1 month, continuously non-stop. The entire January month, only one day they bought, that's only for 1,500 crore. So that is a major concern. And there are some other concerns also. Markets, particularly the banking stocks, Bank Nifty, was very jittery ahead of ICICI Bank result. Even after HDFC Bank result, yesterday just one day, probably those shorts were covered. But today there is no follow-on buying. If the results are good, the follow-on buying should happen. But what is happening? Follow-on selling only is happening in Axis Bank. Look at Axis Bank. In the month of September or October, its all-time high is 1,340 rupees. And before the results, that was trading around 1,040, 1,050. So already about 300 point lower. And then after the results, now it continues to fall. And today, I think 950 was tested almost. So that means a 400 point fall from 1,340, that is about 35%. Right? When was the last time a good stock, quality stock like Axis Bank falling 35% for no reason? There is no negative news, right? And this is just a natural fall. And so our market selling, by FIIs is just unimaginable in stocks like Axis Bank. And not only that, today Reliance. And today Reliance has fallen, underperformed. And today with the today's fall, Reliance has completely wiped out the gain made after the results. So that shows that, whether it is of HDFC Bank or, Reliance Industries, so the prices did not go up because of buying. The prices went up because the shorts were covered. Because they were expecting bad results, the results were not that bad, so markets, are short covering. So if it's a follow-on buying should happen, for us to believe that, the worst is over in all these stocks, right? So Nifty is clearly headed for a negative closing for this month. But of course, we cannot say anything. We have 5 more trading sessions. 5 trading sessions is too long period in a stock market. But as of now, it looks like that because, even if I say the bank is good, what do you think? How much Bank Nifty can go by another 500 point? Even then, we are hoping, the best case scenario, Bank Nifty around 49,000 and the Nifty around 23,300. So I think that is the best case scenario. Otherwise, things are not looking really very good. So I heard a report saying that Nifty is headed for 4th straight month of negative closing. This has never happened in India, even during Lehman Brothers collapse and coronavirus period. So last time, 4 continuous months closing in red happened in 2001. So after 25 years, we are experiencing such a big fall. So definitely one has to be worried if you are a long-term investor. But everybody is expecting, budget to do some miracle. So that is a last hope for bulls. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.